Welcome to our guide on growing the stunning Aparajita plant, also known as the butterfly pea flower. This vibrant climbing vine is celebrated not only for its enchanting blue flowers, but also for its medicinal properties and culinary uses. Let's dive into the world of this remarkable plant. First, let's talk about propagation. The Aparajita plant is usually grown from seeds. You can easily find these at local nurseries or online. Before planting, soak the seeds in water for 24 hours. This helps to soften the seed coat and encourages germination. After soaking, plant the seeds about 1 inch deep in well-draining soil, spacing them about 2 feet apart. Choose a sunny spot in your garden, as Aparajita thrives in full sunlight. Ideally, it needs around 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day. The soil should be rich in organic matter, with a pH level between 6 to 7. If your soil is heavy clay, consider mixing in some compost to improve drainage. Once planted, water the seeds regularly but avoid overwatering, as this can lead to root rot. In about 2 to 3 weeks, you should see seedlings emerging. Once they're about 6 inches tall, it's time to provide support. Use trellises, fences, or other structures for the vines to climb. As your Aparajita grows, you'll notice its lush green foliage and beautiful flowers appearing. These blooms are not just stunning, they're also edible. You can use them in teas, salads, or even as a natural food coloring. Just remember, the flowers are best harvested in the morning after the dew has dried. To keep your plant healthy, apply a balanced fertilizer every month during the growing season. This will promote lush growth and abundant flowering. Don't forget to prune your Aparajita regularly to encourage bushier growth and to remove any dead or yellowing leaves. With proper care, your Aparajita plant will reward you with stunning blooms throughout the growing season. It's not just a feast for the eyes. This plant is also drought tolerant and attracts pollinators like bees and butterflies, making it a wonderful addition to any garden. Thank you for joining us on this journey of growing the beautiful Aparajita plant. Whether you're looking to add a splash of color to your garden or explore its culinary uses, this plant is sure to impress. Happy gardening!